Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the fifth part of our video series in which we are learning country names in Korean language. That is the Korean names of different countries around the world. So if you have not watched the first 4 parts of the series yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. In the first 2 parts of the series, we learned the names of various Asian countries. Then, in the third and fourth part, we learned the names of different European countries. Now, with this fifth part, let's begin learning the names of different African countries in Korean language. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, let's see what is the Korean word for the continent Africa. What is it called in Korean language? So, it is Africa. Africa. Very easy, right? Now comes the Korean word for South Africa, and that is 남아프리카 공화국. 남아프리카 공화국. Now, there is a meaning behind this name. Okay, you don't have to learn this name just by heart. There is meaning, there is logic, and therefore it will be easy for you to learn this name if you know the logic. First of all, the Korean word for Africa is Afrika. So this Afrika comes from Africa. Now the Korean word for south is Nam. Okay, Nam is the word for the direction south in Korean, right? So South Africa is Namafrika. Now, then what is the role of 공화국? Let's see. 공화 means republic and 국 means country. So, a republic country, right? So, 남아프리카 공화국, it literally translates to the South Africa Republic or the Republic of South Africa, right? So, basically, this is the Korean word for the country South Africa. It is sometimes shortened into Namafrika, right? You'll see that South Africa is just Namafrika in Korean, but the complete name is 남아프리카 공화국. Okay, so once you know the meaning behind the name, it becomes very easy for us to remember it, right? Next comes the Korean word for the country Ghana, and that is Ghana. Ghana. Now let's move ahead and see the word for Ethiopia. That is Ethiopia. Ethiopia. Here comes the next country, and that is Egypt, and it is called Egypt. Egypt. Now let's see the next African country, and that is Tanzania, and in Korean it is Tanzania. Tanzania. Here comes the next country, and that is Nigeria, and it is called Nigeria. Nigeria. Now let's see the next one, and that is Algeria, and it is called Algeria. Algeria. Now here is a very important point. We just saw that the Korean word for Nigeria is Nigeria. So, you might be thinking that for Algeria, it should be Algeria, Algeria, right? But there is no A at the end of this name. Algeria in Korean is just Algeria. Okay? Remember this, it is a very important point. Don't get confused with the names, okay? Next is the Korean word for the country Cameroon, and it is called Cameroon. Cameroon. Now let's see how to say Botswana in Korean, and that is Botswana. Botswana. Here comes the next country, and that is Madagascar, and in Korean it is Madagascar. Madagascar. Now comes the next country, and that is Kenya, and it is called Kenya. Kenya. Here comes the next African country, and that is Uganda. And in Korean it is Uganda. Uganda. Here comes the next one, and that is Morocco. In Korean it is called Morocco. Morocco. Next country is Libya, and its Korean name is Libya. Libya. Now let's move ahead and see the next one, and that is Sudan. And in Korean it is Sudan. Sudan. Next comes the Korean word for the country Guinea. And in Korean it is Guinea. Guinea. Alright, so in this video we learned the names of a few African countries. This is not the complete list, right? There are many other countries that are left. So, in the next part, we are going to learn the Korean name of the remaining African countries. Okay? So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.